Now we are turning our attention to the handle assembly. We will be discussing handles that are used on Royal and Regal valves, as well as the dual flush retrofit handle. The handle assembly of a manual flushometer is very simple to understand. When the user depresses the flush handle, the plunger in the handle assembly slides over into the lower chamber, tilts the relief valve, and initiates the flush cycle. The spring then returns the handle to the center position. A handle repair kit is located between the metal handle and the flushometer body. The handle attaches to the side of the valve body and is held in place by means of a handle coupling nut. The components of a handle assembly are the handle socket, the handle, the plunger, the handle spring, the handle bushing, which threads into the handle socket, the high car seal, and the handle gasket. The most complex component here is the handle bushing. Most common bushings, like this one, or a plastic one, is Mark's number 06255 that's used on Regal as well as some Sloan piston flushometers. When a flushometer is subject to heavy, aggressive use, the plastic bushing can crack. In this situation, you can substitute a brass bushing for the plastic one. Rough brass bushings are also used in very demanding environments such as a prison market, where the valves are concealed. Depending on the way the valve is actuated, in other words, does it flush pushing a button, stepping on a pedal, or pressing down on a handle, rough brass bushings are used that have both internal or inside threads and external threads on the outside of the bushing. There are 4 handle assemblies used by Sloan over the years on their Royal and Regal exposed manual flushometers. The old style Royal flushometer before 1972 used a Mark's number 06259, and the handle repair kit was Mark's 06262. This style was a lot different than today because it featured a brass handle bushing, leather packing, brass washer, and a packing nut. In 1972, this old style handle was replaced with Mark's 06260, new style handle assembly, which is still used today in all Regal exposed flushometers. The handle was given an updated design, and this is when Sloan started using the high car seal instead of leather packing, brass bushing, and washer. High car seal. And it's a much better method to stop water leaking from the handle assembly. This handle kit, Mark's number 06258, also includes a plastic handle bushing. Royal flushometers feature an ADA compliant handle assembly that makes it easy for anyone to use. It operates with less than 5 pounds of pressure per square inch. The new triple seal handle packing also provides a 50% increase in sealing capability and is molded from Sloan's Permex rubber materials to withstand ammonia or chlorine treated water. The Royal handle assembly is Mark's number 22747 and uses a Mark's number 26400 repair kit. A note here, Mark's handle assemblies do not include the handle coupling nut. Why is there a strong demand for retrofit products? Retrofit kits are easy to install and make restrooms more water and energy efficient, allowing them to start saving water and money immediately. Customers see retrofits as an easy upgrade to green systems such as dual flush toilets at a reasonable cost. The Sloan Uppercut dual flush retrofit handle works on exposed closet flushometers. Lifting the handle up initiates a reduced 1.1 gallon per flush, eliminating liquid and paper waste, saving 1/2 gallon of water. Pushing the handle down initiates a full flush of 1.6 gallons, eliminating all waste. This retrofit handle reduces water volume by upwards 30% when activated up in the up position. There's an antimicrobial coating that protects both the handle and the socket. The distinctive green handle signifies a water-conserving device. The handle packing is molded from Permex rubber compound for chloramine resistance. Every handle includes 2 adhesive-backed metal wall plates etched with instructions. Many customers put these wall plates above the flushometer on the wall and on the back of the bathroom stall door. That concludes the internal parts identification of a handle assembly. Next up is the flush connection, also known as the vacuum breaker and tube.